For more on the latest from Tamil Nadu. For now, let's now shift our focus to what's brewing in Kerala. Now, on 4th of this month, on 4th of May, UDF won the assembly elections, but the Congress party has not been able to decide on the chief minister. So far, there is no clarity on who is really going to be the chief minister of Kerala. While oath-taking ceremonies in other states have already happened or are going to happen today, like in Assam, but in Kerala, we still don't know who's going to be the chief minister. Now, the latest update is that Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi's stance, it seems, is absolutely clear. Their stance is that the party should not move forward by pretending not to see the public anger. Now, this is very, very interesting. This is what we have learned via sources. And public sentiment, according to High Command, it seems is extremely important. And already we are seeing a big divide as far as the key contenders are concerned. You've got V.D. Satheesan on one side. You've got K.C. Venugopal on the other side. Now, V.D. Satheesan has got the support of allies, has got the support of people on the ground as well. And most people in Kerala feel that he should be made the chief minister. On the other hand, there are some in Delhi specifically, who believe K.C. Venugopal has done a lot for God's own country, and hence this is time for him to get rewarded. So clearly it is like a dharm sankat for the grand old party to really take a call to decide on who should be the chief minister. Now, what we have learnt is that it seems the stance of Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi is absolutely clear. This is what we've learned via sources. According to sources, they feel that the party should not move forward by pretending not to see the public anger. This is the update that we are getting for you. We'll be going across to my colleagues Niyamika and Arpita, who've been tracking the developments from Kerala very, very closely. But this is a very interesting update. Now, you've got K.C. Venugopal on one side, who is a staunch loyalist of the High Command here in the national capital. And then you've got V.D. Satheesan, who's got full support of allies of the Congress party in UDF as well, who want to see Satheesan being made the chief minister of Kerala. But so far, the High Command has not really decided anything. Political observers, of course, were sent to Kerala to speak to all the MLAs and the alliance partners. They've shared their report in the national capital as well. Meetings have also taken place over the last few days, but yet there is no decision that has been made in this regard. In fact, what we have learnt from the Congress camp is that according to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Sonia Gandhi, their stance is clear. The party should look at the public sentiment on the ground. So this is the update that we are getting for you right now. And what we have learned is that Sonia Gandhi is also likely to intervene in the process, Kerala CM process. Sonia Gandhi is likely to speak with A.K. Antony over phone. She's also expected to be present in today's crucial meeting that is supposed to happen at 10 Janpath. Listen in to this reaction.
High Command asked us to come to Delhi, or we all came here. And after the discussion only I can say, then what is their intention, I don't know now. I can't say more because High Command is going to take a decision considering all the aspects. As early as possible, the announcements will be done. That is our request. No, we don't know. We are going there. Who will be there, that we don't know. Deepa Munshi informed us we are going there. All the allies can, if they call, they can express their opinion. Already obtained their opinion.
So it seems like there is a three-way race that's currently underway. You've got Mr. Chennithala on one side, V.D. Satheesan on the other, and K.C. Venugopal on the other side. And let's tell you a little bit about who's really supporting whom in this particular race. Let's start with V.D. Satheesan. Now, he's got strong backing from younger Congress bloc. He's also seen as Congress's sharpest anti-left face, someone who was at the forefront of this campaign of UDF against the left government. Many believe that it is because of his efforts that the party has managed to, in fact, become victorious in this particular assembly elections. And he's reportedly got support of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well. And the current power center in Kerala unit, is also supporting V.D. Satheesan for the chief minister's post. Apart from this, if we talk about KC Venugopal, he's backed by leaders close to High Command. He's seen as a loyalist of the High Command. He's seen more as a Delhi leader. That's why many feel that he could be made the chief minister. He's got strong access with Delhi power circles as well. He reportedly enjoys Rahul Gandhi's backing too. He's trusted by Central Congress leadership. So these are, the factors that support V.D. Satheesan as well as KC Venugopal. But who will the party really choose remains to be seen.